Welcome. My name's Brian Knight, and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just turned at 5 o'clock in the morning here on a Wednesday. Welcome, Tom. So, welcome to this live Forex analysis session. Just note any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. That's because a group of people helping each other, and we're not financial advisors. So, please only take trades you're hoping to take based on your own analysis. There is a full risk disclosure, a bit about us and live session traders there. Okay, let's have a look at some of the pairs. How does this sound? Right. Um, right. Now we've got Tom's still on Tuesday. It's still Tuesday in the UK. And we're over to sort of the Tuesday, Wednesday flip in the market. I'm trying what's this one? And something over here. Unemployment rate, don't worry about that. Okay. And let's just balance the trade. Yeah. Okay. So, um, log in, log out. You okay, Tom?
No, I've got a sound issue. I'll be back.
Yeah, no worries at all. That's it. No problem. All right. AD CAD. We've been in this one for quite a while
Okay, you
since.
can hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you, Tom.
Okay. I had
Yeah.
this I had this strange clicking in my ear. It wouldn't go away, so I had to reboot everything.
Oh, okay.
Sorry about that.
No, you did well. Did that pretty quick. Right. Uh,
Where we at, CAD?
yeah, we're just at the top. Go through them. Market's been a bit weird the last, I think, since the anyway, the end of last week when
Yeah, it
Trump.
just won't move.
No, no, it's just mulling around at the moment. But that's okay. We're not sort of going to. It's still pretty wicky and it's indecisive, but that's okay. Still looking for that to sell further out because it's next week there'll be a well highly predicted rate cut here, which will devalue the Aussie dollar. Right, yeah, AUD that also is just jumping around all over the joint, and that's okay. Still positive on that one. Okay, ADJPY. Yeah, it doesn't know what it's going to do either. I think it looks like we've got to push up. You see the wick on that one there, Tom?
Yeah.
Looks like it's
I've already got
still
my fib set up. I've already got my trade set up.
for
I'm
the
just waiting for
shell,
it to
the
come back
sell.
and yep, waiting for it to come back so I can annihilate it.
Yeah.
Come back
Yeah,
into my
okay.
trap.
Yeah, and let me have some bibs.
That's
Okay,
right.
no worries. Okay. ADNZD. Oh, now that's
Okay, I gotta tell you that one's frustrating.
it is, isn't it? ADNZD.
I had
Like
my
it's
trade set up and it came back, pulled down, tapped, and took off and just missed me. Just missed me, like by 1 pip.
what for the buy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It does those sorts of things. ADNZD, it's a real, yeah. I think it's off. It's got to break the high up here, then pull back. You'll have a second opportunity anyway to get into it. Isn't it amazing where you can set stuff up and like for 1 pip it'll and it just won't trigger. Now, well, that's okay. You're out of you didn't get into the trade, missed that opportunity, but then again,
No,
it's
I'm
just
still in it. I just moved my stop up, sorry, my entry on, to the top of that 6 pack.
yeah, okay. Right, yeah. All right then. AUD Singapore, which you don't trade. That's still going down. It's got the short and still pushing. And back to that trend line. So I don't know if it'll bounce off. Anyway, yesterday I thought it was a bit intriguing, and now it's down to where it, well, hasn't necessarily broken structure, but it's certainly pushing back down as well. I think the Aussie dollar is going to weaken off against a whole lot of the currencies now. AUD USD.
Come back to
Ooh,
my little web, Spider.
you reckon?
I'm
Oh
just
yeah, it
sitting
will.
waiting.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah,
Just sitting and waiting.
yeah.
Come
So you
on
reckon
back.
this? Yeah, you reckon this just push back up in here to the 80 hour and then drop itself off again?
Yeah, I think it's going to come up to that white bar.
Oh, you think it'll come up that far?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's going to come up, tap, fill up that gap, and then take off.
So how do you go if you set a sell limit on there? Not a sell limit, yeah, sell
A
limit.
limit order.
Yeah, limit order. If it doesn't quite make it, I suppose you'll just see it. If it doesn't and it turns, you'll get a yellow and then you'll get in anyway. Okay, makes sense. You set something up as a honey trap, and then if it doesn't quite make it, then you just initiate it anyway.
Yeah, I'm looking for that crossover rollover.
Yeah, yeah. For the trend bars to
Hmm
so push up now.
I just want to see that gold bar there, so I
Mm.
know it's gonna have some sort of pullback. Don't know how high or how far. There's my box that it can't beat, the white box across the
Yeah,
top.
yeah, yeah, yeah. And if it
There's the
does, you know
high,
it's good. Yeah,
there's the low, anywhere between that bottom brick to your left
yeah,
at the
yeah,
618,
yeah. This one here. Yeah,
that one there.
six one
Anything
nine.
below, anything between those two, the low to the high, I'm looking for it to tap the 618 or the
Yeah.
88 and push
Hmm.
down,
Hmm.
because now that's the low it's got to beat to keep going down.
I think it'll play around until then, until next week.
Yeah, you're probably right.
We'll see. I don't
And
think
it's
it'll
not
get
worth,
that.
to me, it's not worth getting in for 70 pips.
No, 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 no. You want that longer term move.
I want that turn.
Yeah,
Give me
yeah,
that turn.
yeah,
Have a lower high on the daily time frame that it's coming into.
yeah, yeah, yeah. And
It's
then
already got
turn
the
it.
gold brick on the lower high. It's already pushed one brick, giving us a wick. I'm just waiting for this pullback and a further push down.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay then. Um, just a waiting game.
Mm-hmm.
Always is, isn't it? Part of the trading is being able to be patient enough. Only CAD CHF. It's just playing around at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
One, two turns, one, two turns. We'll just see. I think this will continue to sell, but at the moment it's not sort of doing too much. Okay. All right. CAD J still in the race on that one. I think this will get a gold here. I think it's pushing back up, which would be
Yep.
nice.
I'm just waiting for that finished pulling back up and getting in for the short.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I'm waiting for it to pull up as far as it can and then get out of the trade and get into the sell. CHF JPY. It's doing the same
Same
thing.
thing.
Yeah, same
I'm
job.
looking for that pullback, waiting for it
Both.
to finish, getting me a gold brick, and I'm in.
Yeah, and you're in. All right.
Run your fib high to low right there. See the pullback where the original pullback? That's where you should have your blue bar set up too.
clean off some of this. So this here, or you're talking this?
For the fib?
Yeah, where are you talking a few? What,
Oh,
from the
from
bottom? From the
yeah,
bottom?
from the top to the bottom move.
Okay.
Not too far.
Okay, hang on a minute. Just
Okay.
do this. And then you'll tell me where do you want it?
Keep going up, way up, way up, way up, right there. See that yellow line is? That brick.
That one just there.
No, the ones above it, two above it.
Oh, you
Yeah,
want
right
it
there.
there.
Yep. That's actually your
Okay.
true low.
Oh, the most recent lot. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Hasn't reached the 618 yet.
No.
You got both your trend lines pushing up. So
I think it's
that green line should be
yeah.
very close to that 618 when it goes to push across it, which means I'm looking for this to pull back up now that I
Yeah,
got
it's
my
gotta
gold brick
yeah.
on my 2 hour time frame. I'm looking for this
Oh,
to
you've
pull
got a
back up.
gold one, have you?
Yep. I'm waiting for the pull
Oh,
back up into the into the 88,
yeah.
fail or somewhere in between there and
Because
push out.
you've got more bricks than me, haven't you?
Yes. That's why I
And so
say
you've got
it's
a
your
gold one already.
yeah, that's why I'm telling you
Feed.
it's your broker.
That's okay. Okay. All right. So it's tipped everywhere. That's all right. We'll do the same thing as the KJ. Pull back up and then we'll sell out. Okay. Euro AUD. Nah, it's annoying this as well. It's now broken
Same thing.
structure. It's broken structure down here. Yeah, I don't know. I think this will buy.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, okay, good. I just I'm seeing a break structure here and I'm thinking, oh, well, it'll pull back and then drop off again. It might do that and then we'll get the push back up. All right. AUD NZD will probably be quite similar. Okay, Euro CAD. Oh,
Exact same thing.
619, yeah, and getting ready to drop off. So yeah, we've got an equal high here. So either it will come up to there or else it'll fail that and then push back down. Wow. Okay, USCHF. That's a little different though.
It's not. Run your fib from the high to the low. You're already across the 618.
Okay, so where do you want your high? From in
From
here?
there down,
Yeah?
all the way down to the very bottom down. Down,
Oh,
down,
this
down.
that one.
Yep, right there. Okay. So you see how it came into your 88 tap?
Yeah.
It's going
Then
to pull
come
back, come
off.
into your 618 someplace, and then out we go.
Mm,
It's got all those tops. Look
yeah.
at all those tops sitting there. Yeah. So we're going to push, make a new high, and then because this is the accumulation, the push will be the manipulation, and then the turn will be the distribution back down to the 88 someplace where it's sitting now.
Yeah. Okay.
But either way, Brian, doesn't matter. Let this thing go bounce, 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 bounce,
Yeah,
bounce,
I'm
bounce
thinking
sideways as
that
long
too.
as it wants.
Yeah.
Just as long as it wants. I'm not in this trade. I'm just waiting for it to
No, no, I'm not
break out
either. And
one
I'm
side or the other.
yeah, I'm just looking at it going like, yeah,
So
it's
if it
just
goes back down into that 618 area and can't break down, I'm buying it out.
Okay. Yeah. Well, let's see how far it pushes up to start with. I'm not keen at it at the moment, and neither are you, so we'll just see what happens. Euro GBP. Wow, that's taken off. Okay. Yeah, I should be in that for the buy. I don't know what is going on. Why am I not? Let's look. Yeah, okay. Might wait till I get back. I did do the pullback though over here.
Mhm.
A bit late. That's okay. It's going to break the high, then pull back, then push back up again. I'll see when I get back what we got. All right, Euro JPY. Oh, let's get the pullback and then get into the sell, I think. All right. And your NZDs. Yeah, same as that AUD. It's a bit unusual, like on this one.
In
Yeah,
what
this
way?
look well. I was looking at this to come up and sell out, but it looks like it might just break the high, pull back, and then keep going up, which I think's different to your AUD.
Well, that's
Yeah, sorry, I'll come back to NZD.
oh
Yeah.
no, it's okay. Well, you also have to fix your fib. Your fib is wrong.
Well, it's oh, you want it bigger, do you?
Well, yeah, because it's already come back to that top brick.
Yeah, it has. Yeah, yeah.
So I would
Okay.
go from extreme low,
Down in here,
yeah, and the high should be at the high at above those two gold bars.
above here.
Yeah, up at the top.
Ah, right. Okay, hang on. You mean that one?
Yep. Now look at it. Now you're still in the 618.
Mm-hmm.
So now if you get a double top here and it pushes down and doesn't break that bottom gold one that it just created, then you're looking
Yeah,
at a push back up to the 88.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Well, let's see if it breaks that. If it breaks structure here, be interesting. Or if it only matches it and does a, yellow, a gold, and then back down again. Okay.
Exactly.
Yep. Sit and wait. Euro Singapore. Yeah. Wait for that. Euro USD. There's a lot of patience needed at the moment. After all this tariff stuff, it's like everybody sort of just like taking it easy. I think this is going to pull up and then we'll go to yellow and then we'll sell back out, I think. Yeah, that's a swing high there. All right, we'll see what happens. Wait for that one. GA.
I'm into this one.
You're in the buy.
Hmm.
Yeah, I can see why too. Okay. But it'll only be a relatively short buy, potentially, before it sells back out again. Maybe not.
Well, I have my fib set up from that top bar
Hmm.
down. So I'm looking for it to pull all the way back up to the 88.
Mm.
So take the
Yeah.
top of your fib and pull it up to the bottom of that
Yeah.
white bar at the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. So once it goes up, taps that 88. See where your white bar going
Hmm.
across is?
Hmm. Hmm. Which should be
Yep, right at the 88.
yeah,
And then look at that
50%.
beautiful gap all the way across to the top bar across from you, across
Yeah.
from that.
Yep.
See that open area?
Hmm. Yeah.
So I'm looking for it to come up in that area someplace.
I think you're right, actually. But again, it might just take it, well, it will take its time to get up to there. Let's see what happens. We've got next week as well. All right. GBP CAD.
This thing has not moved for days.
Yeah, no, it's not really doing too much, is it? This is back on Thursday. Last week, done nothing. Okay. GBP and CHF. I'm still in this for the sell, and that's good. It's just on its pullback. Let's see if we get yellow and then push back down again. GBP JPY. Oh, we got a turn. Oh, back up. Wait for the pullback before we get the sell. All right then.
Yep.
GBP NZD. Now this is weird.
And again, just waiting
Yeah,
for that final push up
yeah. And
or
before
push
it
back
sells
down.
that, yeah, okay. GBP Singapore, which you don't trade, that's still going down. Should be in that. And GU. Now, just come down to the 618, and now it's pushing back up. I think it's a bit trapped at the moment.
I'm in a buy for this.
Yeah. It should be at the moment, but I think you'll end up selling out.
Maybe.
Yeah, okay.
I'll know when it pushes up and creates a new gold bar and where.
Yeah. If it's not breaking that, then it'll cut into the sell. You'll get out of the buy into the sell.
Hmm.
All right, NZD CAD. Oh, match,
I
match, match
just got in that.
for the sell.
Yep.
Mm,
My
you reckon
stop's
it'll
right there at that red wick.
up here? Yeah.
Yep.
I think, I think it'll break down. Look at it, crossover here. You're right on.
Hmm.
Okay. NZD CHF again. That's also two. Selling. Should be in that. Should have been in that anyway. NJ, I've just been a bit focused on other things. Life's been a bit busy, Tom.
It happens.
Yeah, Claire's now found that her mum's going into a home
Oh, no
tomorrow,
kidding.
tomorrow or the next day. Yeah. And yeah, my mum's in rehab at the moment, and then she'll go home, but we've got to get an assessment for. So we have over here what's called a home care package. So if they don't go in the home and they stay at their home, they can get supported um, with funding or some funding anyway. Right, makes it cheaper for the government. All right, now this is going to have a pullback. We've now hit the line. We're going to get a pullback and then potentially a bigger sellout.
So set your fib up.
Okay. Whoop. Yeah. Do you want it from down here?
Well, that's where I have mine. Yes, from there. Yep.
We'll see. I think it'll do a pullback and then we'll get a sell. Okay. NU. Now, this one I was looking at going like, this is going down, but the problem with it is we've now got a goal and it's just pushing up that little bit. Um, get out of there. Um, I think we've got a push up to here, then potentially a sell back out again. I think this is a swing high up here. Looks like this is the turn. There's a fair bit back down here to get. Anyway, oh yeah, Singapore Japanese yen. That's still positive on. I think we're pushing further up now.
Look at
But
that pullback.
whether that's yeah, I know. I lost all of that profit. 5%. It's now back. Like I probably only got one or so. Yeah, 1.6. Um, yeah, but I think this will push back up. I'm a bit cautious. I'm going to have to work out where I get out of the trade because I think it won't break the top. It may, it may, but we'll just see. It's now come to here, and I think we'll get a gold here. Have you got a gold on yours yet? I know you don't trade it. Sorry. That's all right. Okay. Let's look out for that. All right, UCAD. Come back down. Yeah, I think this is the pullback. Let's get ready for a buyback out of it. Getting for a longer term buy, I think. And this pullback over here, back down to here, or even there, and then push back out. All right, USD CHF, same thing. What a bugger. Yeah, now it's turned to come back up again. All right, and UJ. Now this I'm a bit perplexed with. Tom, it's come down to there. It's time to get into the buy, you think?
I'm not. I'm waiting for this to pull back
A bit further.
into the uh, 88 from the
Hmm.
very
Hmm.
low to the very high.
Yeah, okay, I'll put the
Some
you reckon.
it's already starting to pull back. So somewhere above that 618, we're going to get another couple bricks down.
Yeah, probably come to the trend bar and then it's broken through that one. I don't
Yeah,
know.
I actually have the pullback coming up, taking out that
You have a gold one already, do you?
no,
Okay.
no. But somewhere between that top one and where the price is now, it's going to create a couple gold bars to push down. And then I think it's going to come all the way back to your zero and test
Mm.
that gold bar.
Oh, you reckon it'll sell out? Okay.
Oh yeah,
Mm,
we got a
well,
higher
maybe.
low on the daily,
Mm-hmm.
and it's already crossed the line on the daily. So now I'm looking
Mm-hmm.
for it to come back underneath, test that zone down below, and then head back out.
Yeah, I'm not. Just don't like this. Yeah, other JPYs I'll do, but UJ's a real messy. Okay, it's not giving me what I need anyway. Might be for you. Okay, USD Singapore, similar thing here. I don't know. I don't know whether that'll. I think it'll still sell out. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Three gold pushing back up. I think after the craziness of the whole tariff thing, they're going back to gold again. Silver, yep, going back to silver again. Bitcoin's dropped off a bit to 113, and oil is at 65. So I think I saw the news they were saying apparently that OPEC's agreed to increase production or something, which drops the price down. But you can see over here on the daily, look at it. It's just like flatlining at the bottom here. Probably
Mm-hmm.
won't go much further than that. It'll just sort of bounce around here without too much craziness. And then there was an interview I saw last night about Israel Gaza and saying the world can jump up and down all it likes, but the only person that really can make a difference is Trump. He's got to pull Netanyahu into line.
And he's not going to.
No, which is crazy, isn't it? Anyway,
Well, they're all paid off by them. They'll just
yeah,
offer them, hey, I'll buy 200 million in your crypto coin. That'll give you 50 million bucks.
yeah,
And they'll go,
yeah,
okay, I didn't see anything.
bastards.
That's
Anyway,
how it works.
yeah, yeah, sure. And copper's still dropping down. A massive push. It's like just from someone saying crap. Oh yeah. Well, there you go. That's the lot, mate. That's it for today. Um, Once things settle down here a little bit, I'll get into a couple of EAs, I think, Tom, as
Pull,
well.
pull that pull that trend bar across to the low
Trend bar to
on the
the
2 hour time frame. See that white trend bar moving up?
yeah. This one. Oh, that
Top.
one. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. There you go. A little more. Take that whole bottom.
Yeah, that one. Just so I'm trying to
Perfect.
just gradually get there. Yeah.
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 You're looking for the twist past that trend bar.
Yeah, I think it'll break it. Again, I think it's going to be not until next week that we truly get a drop off on that. Truly get the drop off. But anyway. Yeah, okay. All right then, Tom. What do you think?
I think we're good.
We done good?
Yeah.
I think we have.
Man, I
Anything
gotta tell
else?
you gotta practice that fib, dude.
Yeah, you like the fib, don't you?
I'm telling you, I'll send you a picture.
I've
I'll
used
send
fib so
I'll
many
send you
times.
a picture of how I'm trading so it makes sense to you so you can see it yourself.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there's been a bit in life at the moment that's making things busy that I can't, well, I'm unable to focus as much as I need to on trading. But that's like anything. You just what you can, what you can't. It's simple as that. Hmm. And as you do, there's times when you're not trading anything. I'm still in. What am I in? I'm still in like six trades, I think it is.
I'm in three.
Yeah, I'm in six trades. That order's still sitting there for that 80 Singapore. Anyway, that's okay. You're in three. Yeah, I know. It's just you're in, you're not, it all just swings and roundabouts. All right then. Till tomorrow, mate. That's Thursday tomorrow, Wednesday today. More bus stuff. There we go.
Yeah.
All right.
All
Take
right.
it easy. Take
I'll
it
see
easy,
you
mate.
then.
See you. Bye.
Bye.